Disruptions continue at Ascension, that is, after what the hospital is calling a cybersecurity event. They're saying there has been a disruption to clinical operations. At this time, very few details have been released, but Nabil Ramadna shows us the impacts and concerns of those inside the hospital.
Services aren't being done the way they should. And when you're in the hospital, time is life. Seconds matter and minutes matter.
Michael Larson is concerned after Ascension announced they detected unusual activity on network systems. His wife, a patient.
People's lives are at stake. It's bigger than a breach.
The cybersecurity event, as they're calling it, happened Wednesday. The hospital released a statement saying there has been a disruption to clinical operations, and we continue to assess the impact and duration of the disruption. As of Thursday, they're still working to find out what personal information, if any, may have been affected.
You're sitting here watching something go on, and there's really not much you can do except let it unfold. And they got to call so-and-so and get this document down. And so they followed the protocol, but the protocol was much slower.
Hospitals are vulnerable targets just to because there is sensitive information as well as private information.
Cybersecurity expert Hina Rathor says changing passwords and monitoring financial statements can help if you feel like you've been targeted. But cybersecurity attacks are only getting more complex, she says.
It is growing and it is getting worse, but technology is also improving, so it's going hand in hand.
Larson says the nurses are working hard to deal with the issues, despite the challenges. But he wants more transparency from Ascension.
I totally wish that they had been forthright about all the things that, because I'm in the dark now about what it could affect.
Nabil Ramadna, KXAN News.
And Ascension says it hired a third-party firm to assist in the investigation and remediation process, and they have notified the appropriate authorities. KXAN did ask for an on-camera interview with the hospital system, but only received a statement.
Earlier this year, United Health Group reported one of the worst cyber attacks in history to hit a healthcare company. The attack targeted its technology unit and prevented healthcare providers from filling prescriptions or getting reimbursed by insurance companies. United Health Group eventually ended up paying out more than $3 billion to providers impacted by this attack.